So I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. Just bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. Seeing this box is a ring for your oldest. She's my
Saya terima menikahi anak kandung Bapak Sahaja Anadi dengan maharnya seperangkat alat sholat tunai.
Very soon I'm hoping that I can marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I've died. Yeah. Can I marry your princess, make her my queen? She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. Can't wait to smile as she walks down the aisle on the arms of her father, on the day that I marry your daughter. She's been hearing footsteps since the day that we met.
I'm scared to death to think of what would happen if she ever left.
So don't you ever worry about me ever treating her bad. I've got most of my vows done so far,
So we on the better world.
until that do is part. There's no doubt in my mind, it's time, I'm ready to start. I swear to you with all of my heart, gonna marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah. Can I marry your princess, make her my queen? She'll be the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. Can't wait to smile as she walks down the aisle on the arms of her father, on the day that I marry your daughter. First time I saw her, I swear I knew, and I say I do.
Kita dari sahabat-sahabat Ari mengucapkan selamat menempuh hidup baru.
Happy wedding Tukul Jawi dan Nana.
Ya, show. Happy wedding Nana dan Ari.
Semoga pernikahannya
Sakinah,
mawadah dan
warahmah. Amin.
Semoga sakinah mawadah warahmah. Amin. Yang penting Ari selamat beribadah halal, beribadah enak.
Jawi.
ya pokoknya sukses.
Sama
Sukses
Wak.
honeymoonnya.
Ya.
Makin asik-asikan.
Congratulations.
Dadah.
Ari, alatu, ponde.